welcome back to my channel. My name is Rose. Check out that transition. Okay, yep, I did that. I also got a new mic. I don't know if the sound will come out better, but I hope that helps. So today's video is my move-in vlog. So I'm moving to college. This is my 4th year. I'm a senior in college, and I hope to graduate in May, and I will. Yeah, I can't, y'all. It's too much going on. But yeah, so this is me moving in with my dad. So I was basically grabbing everything from the house and putting them in the little balcony we have. I think this is called porch. This is the porch. Yeah. So yeah, I put them in the porch, and then my dad puts them in the car. So this is basically what I'm doing. And then my mom was helping me move some stuff from like all the way inside my room. She was in the house for a little bit. But yeah, this is basically what we're doing. I know this video is gonna be a little late because, you know, school. Yeah, that's my excuse, school. But yeah, this video is gonna be a little late, but I'm sorry about that. I'm just trying to get like content out for you guys also while being in school and while doing like several things in school. So yeah, I'm trying my best, but I hope you enjoyed this clip of me unpacking.
Who's that? I'm new, come back better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. Pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
So I also posted a tutorial of my hairstyle. I did it with my natural hair, and I added beads from Dollar Tree. If you want to see more of how I did this hairstyle, go ahead and watch the previous video. I can also add it in the eye section, and also in the description. So yeah,
I'm a straight killer, rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. I take shots to the top, I'll get it. I got one life, I'ma do all to win it. I do what's right, push until I fall. I'm slipping to get back up. Always stand tall, I'm grinning.
right, so this is how my car ended up looking like. I could still see in the back. I don't know how my dad did that, but I went to Dunkies before I made it back to the school because I just wanted Dunkin'. And I got me a brown sugar cold brew. I swear this drink is crack. Y'all need to try it. Brown sugar cold brew from Dunkin's. So yeah, I did my quick Dunkin' stop and then I made it to my room. So I have an apartment for this year with 2 of my friends as suite mates, and I have 1 random in my room. I'm also an RA, so I have my own room. Like, that's the perks, one of the perks of being an RA. So this is my dad and my mom just helping me move things into the room. So I was just moving like kitchen stuff. I was responsible to get like kitchen supply stuff, like utensils, stuff like that. So I moved those, and then my dad keeps adding stuff on the bed, and I'm like, sir, Clorox wipe first. So yeah, basically I was looking for the Clorox wipes just so I can clean up the room a little bit. But this is the process of me just like cleaning up with my parents and stuff like that. So I hope you enjoy.
In my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la 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 la.
Alright y'all, so that is basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope the mic made the sound a little better. I've been trying to figure out my sound for a little bit, so yeah, I just kept cleaning, and I will also do like a full room tour for you guys probably later this year, before 2023 comes, hopefully. But yeah, check out my hairstyle. It is the previous video. I hope you enjoyed. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Get these followings and click the bell so you know when I post, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye y'all.